My name is Jonathan Hargreaves, and in today's TRN Taster, I shall be looking at how to work out the volume of a cylinder. You calculate the volume of a cylinder by finding the area of the circle and then multiplying by the height. The formula is written as V, volume, equals pi, a mathematical constant, times r squared. When we have a squared number, we multiply it by itself, and it's shown as the small number 2, and then we multiply by h, the height. So in our example, the diameter is 22 centimeters. The diameter is the distance measured from one side of the circle to the other whilst passing through the middle. We therefore know that the radius is half of that. The radius passes from the center of the circle to the outside, or vice versa. Our measurement therefore for radius will be 11, and we will need to multiply that by itself. Height in our example is 45 centimeters. So let's translate that into a measurement using our formula. V is volume, as I said earlier. Pi, a mathematical constant that is measured as 3.14. R we know to be 11 and squared, so we multiply 11 by 11, and the height is 45 centimeters. So let's get to it. Let's use these measurements. 11 times 11 is 121. 121 is then multiplied by 3.14, which arrives at the figure of 379.94. 379.94 is then multiplied by 45, and we arrive at the grand total of 17,097.3 cubic centimeters. Cubic means that we are using 3 measurements and is always shown as the small number 3. Why 3 measurements? Well, we're using pi, we're using radius, and we're using height. And volume with a cylinder is always shown as the small number 3. In our example, we're using centimeters, so let's convert our measurement from cubic measurements into liters. To convert our example, which is in centimeters cubed, we need to divide by 1000. So in our example, the cylinder above would hold 17.1 liters. If our example were in meters, to convert a cubic meter to liters, you would have to multiply by 1000. So a cubic meter of liquid would be 1000 liters. So an example would be 4.6 meters cubed. You would multiply that by 1000 and arrive at the figure of 4,600 liters. There's a big difference between converting centimeters cubed and meters cubed. I hope you've enjoyed today's TRN Taster. I hope to see you all soon.